I like this.
So we went to Burger King and they have the flamin' mac and cheese. What is it? The mac and cheese. I don't know.
Cheeto. I want mac and cheese.
I'll get the name right. But I got it and I want to try it with them. What do you think? What do you think? Challenge accepted. All right. No,
Okay, whoever gets the spicy
unbuckle.
face, whoever gets the spicy face first loses.
Yeah, baby, unbuckle.
And then the second loser. How hot is it? That's a French fry.
Yeah, get out.
That's a lame.
All right, we got the mac and cheese flaming hot.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
You're so excited.
Whoever makes a spicy face like this, like that.
But first, we're gonna have to give Lainey something so she don't sit here and scream the whole time.
Like that.
That's hot.
Es uno, tres, cinco de mayo.
Lily, get your hand out your mouth.
That's uno, tres, cinco de mayo. I lost my tooth. Uno, tres, cinco de mayo. I lost more tooth. I lost more tooth.
Here, give that to Lane.
Lily,
give this to Lainey. Okay. Okay, so we got this. And
get some good drink.
here, everybody get a little bit of drink before. You get a little bit of drink? Okay.
You smell
It's a 3-piece.
3-piece?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
There's 3 pieces in here. Oh my God, no.
Let me see.
There's more than 3 pieces in here. Who the heck can eat all this?
You try it first.
Me? Me first.
Me.
It's hot.
Oh.
Okay, ready, Lily? Hold on. Wait for me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go.
I feel like mac and cheese.
Mm.
Oh.
It's hot.
Let me try one. I'm not spicy.
Get in the frame.
Me? Spicy.
It is spicy.
It is.
It is spicy.
Give me drink. Not spicy for me.
Give it a minute.
Not spicy for me. Still not spicy. I'm more.
You don't?
Okay, I don't like bad stings.
It's spicy, huh?
But I was the last one to make. And it's nuggets.
That's hot.
I'm not hot for me.
Oh. Looks good.
I was the last one to make a spicy face, so I win. I win. Win. And it's not spicy for me.
No? Okay.
But it did make my ears hotter. It's not hot.
I mean,
how many is there?
don't pick it up like that.
Hey, where's my burger?
All right, Lily, go sit back down.
Let it. Come on,
Mm-hmm.
Again, in the video, guys.
Here.
Wait. Bye, guys. Peace. Peace. No, for real. Peace. Peace, Grandma.